All right, let's go ahead and do day number 2 trap training. I got the 2 youngsters. What time is it? I'm a little bit late today. It's already 5:07. I got the youngsters here, 80 and 81, I believe. I don't know if you guys can see the band numbers, but these are the 2 newcomers, and so yeah, they're gonna chill here. I'm gonna go release the team, and then I'll trap these guys in by themselves. I think they should be good, so let's find out. Okay, let's go ahead and cut, and let's go show the release of the other guys. All right, that was good. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today is Thursday, April 15th. Thursday, April 15th. It's 4:10. I got home a little bit late today because traffic was heavy. And then, not that it really matters, but yesterday's video was a headache because I recorded it in the wrong format, and it just took longer than expected to basically process it and load it. So the purpose of this video is 2 things. Obviously, trap train the babies. We're gonna go ahead and basically let the birds out so they can fly, the team A, and then also I'm downgrading on the video settings on the camera, so I'm hoping that it's basically for my purpose, however you say that. So much for that. The birds came back. I was busy looking at some other things. The next thing you know, the bird's trapped, and I totally missed it. So I don't have that footage. Apologize. Yeah, they went straight in. Boom. So I don't know if it was a hawk, if they just wanted to come in, if they were hungry, thirsty, or they just wanted to trap really well today. But yeah, they trapped. They're in already. So anywho, it's dinner time. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.